Hello, everybody. My name is Ken Sean, and I'm the chair of the Theology Department at Hill Murray. As students come into Hill Murray in our theology curriculum, they proceed or progress through a series of classes. So we start with basic Bible introduction from a Catholic perspective, Old Testament, New Testament. We move up through church history, theology. We offer a couple classes on spirituality, and one of the culminating classes is then an ethics and justice class for our seniors to prepare them as they go into the world and enter the real world. Um, our main goal is to prepare students to thrive in a world where not everybody looks like them and thinks like them and acts like them. So all of our classes are sort of geared toward preparing students for that reality. We have 8 people in our department. We combine in our background about 80 years of youth ministry experience. So our classes are very, very relational. And we think we do a good job of meeting the students' needs, both emotionally as well as intellectually in our classrooms. We take very seriously our call to prepare students, and it's a real honor to have them in the classroom and be able to have conversations with them and work with them. So if you send your students to Hill Murray, and if you're Catholic, I think you'll find that our classes challenge them and support what you're doing in your homes. If your students are not Catholic, I think they will feel welcomed at Hill Murray. I think we go out of our way almost to welcome students who are not Catholic and share our tradition. So we take a lot of pride in what we do, and we hope you'll consider joining us.